Nyako Ramogi wantiere kod lipot mabende ochoponwa kaen jatend piny Kenya William Ruto biro bedo kod twak ma achiel kachiel mong'ere kaka Town Hall ma bende biro bedo kobago Kisumu State Lodge mano kar jot ma jatend piny mano madundo mantiere gwenge ma Kisumu obiro bedo kanyo kotwak kod jopiny kendo go mbaka mopogore mano wabiro bedo godo kanyo kinde mabiro ka bende gie sani ni riwruok ma jopuonj KUPPET bende gie sani twak kendo enjene gima dhi nyime akelo misori.
The Secretary of Makwini was accosted while reading a procession of officials and teachers. These are tactics which are being employed by the commission which does not want to engage. Our rules of engagements are known, and even if there are adversarial determinations sought in courts of law, the relationship in labor relations is like that one of marriage. You must be given time to talk, and we did not see anything strange when they reached for us to engage in this kind of an arrangement. But apparently, they were only out for blackmail. Now, since they are out for blackmail, and because of the foregoing, I've indicated that the union is in a protected strike, protected by Article 41 of the Constitution, Article 76 of the Constitution, and also the Labor Relations Act. These are the clauses that any court will be addressing in looking at our case. Did KUPPET break any law? No, we have not broken any law. The law allows us to picket around where we work. And we have been conducting very peaceful demonstrations to further popularize our industrial action. I want to warn Teacher Service Commission that teachers are not pieces of paper. Even if you gag them not to express themselves in the manner they want in this industrial action, they will make learning difficult in their various schools. The kind of noise that you find around schools will not make learning possible. Those court orders are being misconstrued or being construed, and those are the ones which are going to protract the struggle. The teachers of this country have a resolve that their issues must be addressed. But so far, because of this strike, we have seen fruits, because the Ministry of Education has committed now that the government has given 18.7 billion. Today we have confirmed that medical facilities were paid up to March. If we had not gone on strike, yes, we would not have had this.
Yes.
Even the president has confirmed that beside 46,000 who are going to be engaged by the 18.7% billion shillings, he has also said that the 20,000 will be employed. So these are gains which we must consolidate. But within the framework of established law, both at the ILO, which Kenya is attending in numbers annually, and locally, we must not twist anybody. We will not negotiate in fear, neither will we make fear make us not to reach our destination. The Commission must know that this is not an issue of monkey tricks. We are well seized with all that it takes to understand where we are. And we are also Kenyans. Chairman.
Thank you very much. Any question? Lakini tunasema mgomo unaendelea. Mgomo inaendelea. Mgomo inaendelea. Yes. Any question? Because kama secretary ameongea hatuwezi dilute na mtu mwingine. So this is a serious time, hakuna hata Kiswahili. Lakini